Good everyone, you're welcome to CAD Baron. So for this particular video, I'll be doing a very simple stress analysis on this engine block. I'll just be doing a very simple stress analysis on it. Let's see how we can be able to get this particular job done. So what I did initially, I used SolidWorks to do the model, of which the model can also be done in Inventor. So after doing the model, I saved it as a step file, then imported it to Autodesk Inventor. So if you're on this user interface, something like this video should serve as a guide to those that are just new to stress analysis using Autodesk Inventor. So if you're new to it, you get to see how I'll be doing it. So the next thing, I'll click on stress analysis. I'll click here, click on create study. So I tell you static analysis 1, then you click OK. So you get to see the different things you are supposed to do before you carry out the analysis. First, the material. You have to select the material. So you can say you click on this, you right click, and you click on show all materials. You get to see all the materials. So you can click here, materials. So depending on the material you want to use, or depending on the material that you're being asked to use. So for this particular work, I've decided to use a stainless steel. I double click on stainless steel. So stainless steel, description, stainless steel component. So you can use this. The appearance, the physical. So these are the properties. If you want to use a stainless steel, depending on the stainless steel, you click apply, then you click OK. OK, then you cancel. So you have chosen stainless steel, click here, close. Right, genetic, OK. Material again. Come here just to confirm. The metal property is the same element as the local copy. Okay, so this is the material. We have already agreed. Material. Add to favorite. You can also add it to favorite. So we have been able to add the original material, so generic. I have picked up, this is the material we are using. Stainless steel. I will click on it. So it appears there. So you have to click on it, then you double click so that it can be able to appear. Then you click OK. Then the next thing is the constraints. The constraint. So you click on edit fixed constraint, pin constraints, frictionless constraint. So I'm going to use a fixed constraint. I'll click on my shift so I can be able to rotate. I want to make here the fixed. I click here, and here. So I've decided to make that as a fixed constraint. So I click OK. Then what's the next thing to do? After doing this, I'll try to see how I can be able to apply load. So I right click and I click on force. Either you use a force or a pressure, or I can decide to use a pressure for this particular one. So how many megapascal? I can say 500, enter. The faces, where are the faces? I want to apply it at the top here. Just apply it at the top. I didn't apply it at the center, at the inside there. So I click apply, then you click OK, then cancel. You have been able to do that. Then the next thing, is there any other constraint you want to do? Then for the meshing, you can click a genetic mesh, or just if you want to set up the mesh, or use a local mesh control. If you want to set up, there's something you have in mind that you want to set up, or you can just click on simulate too. Click run. So it will carry out the mesh and also carry out the results and produce a good result for you, depending on what you are looking for. But if we are using other softwares, we will get to tell them the expected result we are looking for. But for Autodesk Inventor, it shows us the result that it will give to us. So the user interface is kind of different from this. So this is it. So get to see where undergoes more stress. This is a job that we have been able to do. So if I click on this now, if I click on this, you get to see the color variation shows us how the stress and where deform small. Come here. So the third principal stress is really undergoing through stress. You can see all these regions. Come here. So the amount of pressure we applied is very high on this particular structure. So this is just an introduction, or just to show you how we do stress analysis using Autodesk Inventor. Also, first your material, your constraints, your load, then you run your result. So this is for stress. So if you have seen something like this, you can also come here and click on animate. You click on animate, this is how it look like. So this is how it responds. So guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you.